Hi guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Farzeen and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a different sort of video. This is something different from my usual content, and today I'm going to share 3 layout ideas for a 4x6 mini album. These layout ideas are really simple and turn out really nice. So one by one I'll show you all these. For this, to make an album for these layouts, you'll need the base to be 4.5 by 6.5, but these layouts are all for these pages, pocket pages are all 4 by 6 that will go inside the album. Here is the first layout. I made an accordion fold on this, and I used ribbon to keep everything closed. This opens up, and this accordion fold measures 4.25 by 3.25, and I used 3 pieces of 4.25 by 3.25 to make the accordion fold. So this is the first idea. And for the second layout idea, I did this beautiful waterfall. This one turned out really nice and I absolutely love it. So here is how it looks. I absolutely love this gorgeous paper, and I used the ribbon again. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on these layouts, make sure you let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be really happy to do it for you. So this is the waterfall page. Also keep an eye out for maybe a giveaway that I'll be doing in the next week or so. So yeah, make sure you keep an eye out for that as well. Here is the third layout. I used the ribbon again to keep everything closed. So here is how it looks. Absolutely beautiful paper. So when we open this up, this is going to open on the side again, and up and down. So you have lots of places to add pictures or just journal, whatever you want to do. I think these layouts turned out really simple and really cute. They look beautiful, and I hope you guys liked these simple and cute layout ideas. And if you want me to do more videos like these, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next video.